Hello everyone, my name is Olamide and I'll be your tutor for the production course. After over half a decade in the clothing industry, handling multiple projects across big brands, small brands, I can confidently tell you this. Anyone that wants to start a clothing brand needs production knowledge. It doesn't matter if you're a designer, it doesn't matter if you're a production house, it doesn't matter if you're a tailor. You need to understand the basics of producing a garment. One of my goals is to empower upcoming designers and brand owners across Africa. And to do that, everybody that wants to start a clothing brand or wants to become a fashion designer needs to understand the basics of producing a garment. If you opt on this course, you are in one of the categories I'm about to mention. Number one, total beginner. Number two, in the rut. Number three, you are craving more. In this course, we'll be taking the overview of production manufacturing. I'll teach you the importance of production to a fashion business. We also take the type of manufacturing process, the main types of manufacturing process, and the terminologies manufacturers use. For our second topic, we'll be treating sourcing of fabric, where we talk about the fabric types, the fabric structure, and the fabric use. We also treat the quantification of the fabric of an item, how to understand the local markets, where to source fabric locally, and negotiating with material suppliers. For our third class, we'll take printing. Then we'll talk about the types of printing, what type of printing is suitable for your project, how to create a print file, how to lay print if you're printing locally with a DTF. We would also talk about the tips on how to create appealing design on a budget. In our first class, we'll be taking dyes and washes, different type of dyes and different type of washes we have for a fabric. For our fifth class, we'll be taking mock-up and tech pack creation. Here we'll be treating how to create a detailed tech pack or a mock-up to get a quote from your manufacturer, how to create a size chart. For our final class, which is a bonus class, we'll be teaching labels and packaging. These are all the basics you need to know before you start a clothing brand. After this course, you can confidently start your own production house, communicate efficiently with the manufacturer, know what is feasible and what is not feasible when producing, create a strong relationship with manufacturers, and set realistic targets for your brand. Without any further ado, let's get started.